Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys and your AC does not work, your AC does not activate, the compressor doesn't work. We'll explain what can easily cause that guys and how a bad AC compressor valve can do that and how to replace it. All that will be covered in this video today. That should apply to multiple years and generation Hyundai Tucson that uses that design of AC compressor, the clutchless AC compressor. So all that will be covered in this video today. So let me introduce you to the channel quick guys. Every single car we get at the garage we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Another thing, if you need to buy tools or parts for a really good price and quick shipping as well, you can check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our supplies and tools from. So this specifically is a 2.4 GDI engine, but as we said it may work on multiple models and you can see we have everything out because we'll be making hundreds of videos that can potentially save you thousands of dollars. So with that being said, as a compressor, back in the day they used to have clutch only. Now some of them are clutchless, some have clutch and AC compressor valve. Some do not have clutch, they have only AC compressor valve. Why they started using AC compressor valve? Due to the fact that the clutch used to be on and off practically and you had engine jerking, decreased horsepower all of a sudden, so it made the operation of the AC not so smooth. With that valve, okay, the computer can gradually open and close, which make turning the AC compressor on and off practically you cannot actually detect that, and it can activate it, let's say, at only 50%. So if the AC is cold enough, it will not work really hard. That way it can save fuel as well. So looking at it, okay, that's the AC compressor valve. Now in some cases you may be able to replace it without removing the compressor, but you have to have the freon removed because otherwise all that will come out and it can severely injure you, and there is a huge fine for releasing the freon in the atmosphere. So that ring now, okay, snap ring, we need to go ahead and remove it. Be careful not to pop in your eyes. So just go ahead and pull it out. Perfect. Now that valve could be stuck, but if you get 2 screwdrivers on each side here, okay, it will make it come out. Okay, you can see just like that, and the seal came out as well, and that's the valve itself. Now if you want to see how to test AC compressor valve on a Hyundai vehicle guys, okay, we have the video on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair guys. Check it out, and it's going to teach you how to do that, how to test AC compressor valve, okay, and find out if it's good or bad. So when you're ready to install it, okay, what you need to do, okay, let's explain that now. You're going to grab the new valve and you're going to put the seal right here first. Okay, that seal needs to go right there. Perfect. You may need to apply a little bit of oil to the seals if you want to, okay, to make sure that they're not too dry, because otherwise it's almost impossible to press that thing in. Now what we're going to do, okay, we just push it in. Okay, you can see that click, and now you need to install this snap ring practically guys. Okay, let's explain that now. Alright, almost. So those are a little bit tricky sometimes. So if I hold it with the screwdriver here, it will go in and we can release it and we are ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.